Welcome back everybody to another exciting Pokemon video. In today's video, we are going to be opening up some of the Walmart Ultra Prism boxes. I went to a Walmart that was in a different city, a little bit away from where I normally look for cards, and they had two of these hidden on the back of the shelves. So, let's open up some Ultra Prism. Alrighty, I got the plastic off of our two boxes. So in our first one, here's our packs. And our second box, 3 more packs. So, starting off with our first box, we have our Leafeon pack art. There's the code card on that one. And we're going to start this one off with a Drifloon, Morlul, Cosmog, Execute. We have Lickitung, Fairy Energy, Mount Coronet, Rotom, Unidentified Fossil. Our reverse holo is a rare Rotom, and on the end, a holo Drampa. Very nice. Second pack here. And there's the code on that one. And we're starting this one off with 3 Eevees playing in a river. We have Salandit, Turtwig, Riolu, Croagunk. We have our Darkness Energy, Turtonator, Mount Coronet, Honchkrow. Our reverse holo is a Magnemite, and on the very end, a regular rare Hippowdon. Moving right into the last one from that first box. And there's the code card on that one. And we're starting this one off with Carnivine, Murkrow, Magnemite, Snover, Glameow. We have our Psychic Energy, Luxio, Escape Board, Honchkrow. Our reverse holo is Electric Memory, and on the very end, a Heat Rotom. So unfortunately, only one holo rare in that first box. But the good news is, we have 3 more packs. So let's get into our second box now. And there's the code on that one. Starting off with Yanma. We have Bronzor, Gibble, Roselia, Chimchar. We have our Darkness Energy on that one. Purugly, Floatzel, Missing Clover. Our reverse holo is an uncommon Honchkrow, and on the very end, I think that's like the 3rd different Rotom. Oh well. I haven't opened a ton of Ultra Prism, so I probably need it for my collection anyways. Code on that one. Four and 2. And we're starting this one off with Skorupi, Yangoose, Cherubi, Cute, Piplup, Snover. We have an electric energy. Prinplup. Gardena. Gabite. Our reverse holo is a Garchomp, and that is a rare. And on the very end, nice. Palkia GX. I like how the eye can kind of flash in the light there and glow red. Gorgeous card on that one. Alrighty, and our last pack for this opening. We have a code card. And we're going to start this one off with a Krogunk. An adorable little Eevee. Alolan Vulpix. Alolan Diglett. We have a Shinx. Psychic Energy. We have Palpad. Skuntank. Gardena, reverse holo, is a common Roselia, and on the very end, another GX. This Glaceon is gorgeous. So yeah, that second box was definitely a lot better than the first one. So as a quick recap on our first of 2 boxes, the only major hit was a holo Drampa. And in our second one, out of 3 packs, we pulled 2 GXs. If you enjoyed this opening, please do consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, let me know down in the comment section what your favorite card from this opening was. I'm probably going to say Glaceon is my favorite card that we opened in this video. Do consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications to be notified whenever we do upload another exciting Pokemon video. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.